Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all of you. See you again with me, Miss Ayu Febriana. Okay, now we continue our material today. Our material today is about must do and must not do. Okay, keharusan dan ketidakharusan. Okay, look at your book page 26 ya. You have learned to give suggestions or seharusnya in bahasa Indonesia with the modal verb should and some other expression. Now you will learn to state a strong necessity or harus such as in rules. Dayu, Siti, Edo, and Udin are telling us some rules of their school. They are telling us what the students must do and must not do during the school hours. Let's read and say their sentences together loudly, clearly, and correctly. First, repeat after me. Okay. Kamu telah belajar untuk memberikan saran atau seharusnya di dalam bahasa Indonesia dengan kata kerja modal should dan beberapa ekspresi lainnya. Sekarang kamu akan mempelajari bagaimana mengatur sebuah kebutuhan yang sangat kuat atau harus seperti pada peran. Dayu, Siti, Edo, dan Udin sedang menceritakan kepada kami beberapa bagian dari sekolahnya. Mereka sedang menceritakan kepada kami apa yang murid-murid harus lakukan dan yang tidak harus lakukan selama jam sekolah. Mari kita baca dan katakan kalimat-kalimatnya bersama dengan kuat, dengan jelas, dan dengan benar. Pertama-tama ikuti setelah saya. Oke. We must wear a uniform every day, from Monday to Thursday. We must wear the batik shirt. The girl must wear a black skirt. And the boys must wear a pair of black pants. On Friday, we must wear the school uniform. We must wear proper shoes. We must not wear sandals, a shirt, or casual wear at any place and at any time during the school hours. Ya, kita harus memakai pakaian seragam setiap harinya, dimulai dari hari Senin sampai hari Kamis. Kita harus memakai kemeja batik. Wanita harus memakai rok hitam. Dan laki-laki harus memakai sepasang celana panjang yang berwarna hitam. Pada hari Jumat kita harus memakai seragam pramuka. Kita harus memakai pakaian yang sepatu yang sesuai. Kita tidak harus memakai sendal, kemeja ataupun pakaian casual di satu tempat ataupun di satu tempat selama jam sekolah. Okay. Next, we must not be late to school. We must come on time to class and to the flag ceremony. If we are late, we must wait outside the gate. We must not come in until the security guards give us permission. We must sign a paper before we come to class. If we cannot come on time for any reason, we must hand in a notice from our parents to the principal. Ya, kita tidak harus terlambat ke sekolah. Kita harus datang tepat waktu ke kelas dan mengikuti upacara bendera. Jika kita terlambat, kita harus menunggu di luar gerbang. Kita tidak harus masuk sampai security memberikan permisi atau memberikan izin untuk masuk. Kita harus menandatangani sebuah kertas sebelum kita masuk ke kelas. Jika kita tidak datang tepat waktu, apapun alasannya, kita harus berdiri. Ya, kita harus menulis sebuah catatan dari orang tua kita pada prinsipnya. Okay. We can learn well if the classroom is clean and tidy. So we must keep our classroom clean and tidy. We must not litter. We must put the garbage in the garbage bin. We must not write or draw anything on the desk and on the walls. We must sweep the floor and dust the teacher's desk and the shelf every day. Kita bisa belajar dengan baik jika ruangan kita itu bersih dan rapi, sehingga kita harus menjaga ruangan kita bersih dan rapi. Kita tidak harus membuang-buang air. Kita harus meletakkan sampah pada tempat sampah. Kita tidak harus menulis atau melukis sesuatu pada meja, pada laci ataupun dinding. Kita harus menyapu lantai dan membersihkan meja guru setiap harinya. Oke. Nah, we can learn if the class is not noisy. My friends and I know very well that we must not be noisy. We must respect our friends who are working seriously. We must not chat and talk very loudly in class. We must keep our voice low. We must not play around. We must work at our desk most of the time. Ya, kita dapat belajar jika kelas tidak ribut. Teman-teman dan saya tahu dengan sangat baik, sehingga kita tidak akan ribut. Kita harus menghormati teman-teman kita yang sedang bekerja dengan serius. Kita tidak harus bercerita dengan kuat di kelas. Kita harus menjaga suara. Kita tidak harus bermain-main dan kita harus bekerja pada meja kerja kita di setiap waktunya. Oke, nah coba lihat. Work in your group. Identify the roles stated by the first student and write your sentences on a piece of paper. Underline every verb which shows you what the student must or must not do. Make sure you know the meaning of every word and spell it correctly. As example, Siti's sentences have been rewritten here for you. First, copy them. While you are writing, say the words slowly, clearly, and correctly. Use a dictionary if you have any problems. Come to me. Ya, lihat. We know from Siti the following rules in the school. Kita lihat Siti, kalimat Siti adalah dituliskan lagi. Pertama, copy semuanya, ya tulis semuanya. Kemudian tuliskan kembali kalimatnya itu dalam sebuah kertas, lalu garis bawahi setiap kata-kata kerja yang menunjukkan apakah murid itu harus lakukan atau tidak. Ya, kemudian lihat. The student must wear a uniform every day. From Monday to Thursday, they must wear a batik shirt. He girls must wear a black skirt. The boy must wear a pair of black pants. On Friday, they must wear the school uniform. They must wear proper shoes. They must not wear sandal or shirt or a casual wear at any place and at any time during the school hours. I think all of this is good ya. Semua kalimat ini adalah benar. Nah, lalu kita lanjut ya. Kita lanjut kepada ini. Ya. When you read or hear a suggestion or a rule, you may agree or disagree with it. Let's study the two conversations below. First, play the roles of the speakers. Say the speaker's sentences loudly, clearly, and correctly. Use a dictionary. If you have any problems, come to me. Oke, lihat. Inilah semua kalimat-kalimatnya ya. Kita bisa lihat. Nah. Okay, suggestion and rule. Everyone is free, agree or disagree with statement. Yeah. Okay. Children must not watch TV before they go to school. Children should use handphone to school for their safety. Students must buy food and drinks in the school canteen. Students should take the English tutoring class after school. Boys and should not play with a doll and girls should not play with a toy car. Okay, that's all for today. That's all for our material today, and I will share the assignment in classroom. Okay. Ya, selesailah materi kita pada chapter 2 pada hari ini mengenai must and must not, keharusan dan ketidakharusan. Nah, saya akan kirim tugas-tugas pada classroom. Ananda bisa cek di classroom mengenai tugasnya. Okay, thank you very much for today and see you for the next time. Good morning.